Hello. How are you? Welcome back to the best ever motor review show. What comes to your mind if we say 5-star safety rating? Cars. Right. Yes. So, today in this video we will talk about an electric car that has got 5 stars in Euro NCAP crash tests. A 5-star rating is the highest rating that can be achieved in any crash category. BYD Atto 3 electric SUV scores. Chinese carmaker BYD's 5-door electric SUV Atto 3 has scored an impressive 5-star safety rating in Euro NCAP crash tests. The rating applies to all variants of both left-hand drive and right-hand drive configurations. BYD recently unveiled the Atto 3 in India, with its launch scheduled to take place in November 2022. Base active trim tested came equipped with all safety features as standard. It scored 34.7 out of 38 points in Adult Occupant protection tests. It scored 44 out of 49 points in the Child Occupant protection tests. Much like global NCAP, Euro NCAP tested the base active trim of the Atto 3, which comes equipped with 7 airbags, including a central front airbag, seatbelt pretensioners, ISOFIX anchorages, and even ADAS features such as autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist and speed assist system, all as standard. All these features will be available on the India spec model as well. BYD Atto 3 Euro NCAP test results. Starting with the Adult Occupant protection category, the Atto 3 received a 91% rating, scoring 34.7 out of a possible 38 points. In the frontal deformable offset barrier test as well as the full-width rigid barrier test, the Atto 3 offered good or adequate protection to both driver and passengers. It also scored maximum points in the side impact test. However, in the more severe side pole test, it offered weak protection to the driver's chest area. Even in child occupancy protection, the electric SUV scored maximum points for both the frontal offset test and the side barrier impact test, offering good protection to dummies placed for children aged 6 and 10 years old. The front passenger airbag can be disabled to allow a rearward-facing child restraint to be used in that seating position. It, however, lost a few points due to the lack of an integrated CRS child restraint system, scoring a total of 44 out of 49 points or 89%. The Atto 3 didn't fare as well in terms of pedestrian protection, scoring 69% or 37.5 out of 72 possible. The protection provided by the bonnet to pedestrians' heads was good or adequate, with some poor areas on the stiff windscreen pillars. The bumper offered good protection to pedestrians' legs, but protection of the pelvis region was almost entirely poor. The Atto 3's autonomous emergency braking (AEB) system as well as lane support system performed well in most test scenarios, scoring 74% or 12 out of 16 points in safety assist systems. The Atto 3 will be BYD's second model in India after the E6 MPV. While the prices will be announced next month, the company has started accepting bookings for the electric SUV for a token amount of 50,000 rupees. Deliveries for the first 500 units will begin in January 2023. The SUV will come to India as a CKD unit and will be assembled at the carmaker's Sri Perumbudur facility near Chennai. Tell us section if you would consider to buy the all-new Atto 3 to lower your petrol expense and higher your savings. Finally, we thank you for watching the video. If you find the video informative, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for all upcoming video notifications. Tickle the like button and share the video with your friends in order to make YouTube Baba happy. We will see you at the next one. Till then, bye-bye.